What's up guys, and today we're gonna play FIFA 15 Ultimate Team. Well, I don't know why I'm playing it, maybe just for fun, but we're gonna do a very quick video on opening the packs on FIFA 15. So we've got 3 bronze packs and 1 silver pack. We're gonna open one right now. So today, let's open the silver pack first. So we've got player training. Let's store all these items. So lots of things in this pack. And now let's open the bronze pack. Okay, let's store in club. It's got really cool music. And now let's do the bronze pack. What's going to be inside this bronze pack? Oh, another player contact. I think it said contract, not contact. Yeah, contract. Looks like it's signed up for something. Well, I'm sorry you didn't see the other bronze pack. It contained great football players. So please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Maybe including FIFA 15.